IIFL Home Finance hosts Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana 2.0 Awareness Workshop in Ahmedabad. IIFL Home Finance Limited organized a customer awareness workshop in Ahmedabad to promote the Interest Subsidy Scheme ISS under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban 2.0. The event honored over 1,100 subsidy beneficiaries and highlighted the company's efforts to support affordable housing for economically weaker sections and low-income group families. Senior officials from IIFL, HFL, and National Housing Bank participated in the initiative, which aims to expand outreach across key states through similar workshops. Report बिल्कुल ऑनलाइन।
I am Shyam Sundar from National Housing Bank, and I am here at representing the Ahmedabad Regional Office of the National Housing Bank, and I'm acting as the office in charge. I am here today to give them some awareness about the program, and to initiate the first successful disbursement of interest subsidy to the beneficiaries, which has been given through one of the housing finance companies, that is India Infoline Housing Finance Limited. And I am here representing the state of Gujarat and the people who have come from all the cities from the state of Gujarat, and these are one of the few first beneficiaries of the this interest subsidy scheme. And from the previous this version of interest subsidy scheme, that is PMAY 1.0, there has been an overwhelming response from the state of Gujarat, wherein some 20,000 crore of subsidy was disbursed in the first tranche. And looking to the great success of this first tranche, the government again came up with a second tranche of this scheme. And because we have been instrumental in getting the same success as the first first tranche was, so this is evident here that the second tranche is gaining the momentum, and this is the program just to show the momentum to the public and to create the awareness, so they come up more with this to avail the benefit out of this scheme, and so that the dream of the center to have the household for every needy people, that is actually materialized.
I have, sir, a couple of questions. One is, which city is having a lot of beneficiaries?
Okay. So basically, I will not come up with the city. We generally see the state as a whole. So it has been the Gujarat, the forefront runner in the first tranche, wherein some 20,000 crores of subsidy, again in the interest, because it has the four verticals, wherein interest subsidy scheme is one of the vertical. In interest subsidy scheme, some 20,000 crore rupees of subsidy was disbursed in the state of Gujarat, which is highest in India.
And what is the ticket size, like upper ceiling, lower ceiling you have?
Yeah, we do definitely have the upper and lower ceiling. So those guidelines are already there in the public domain. So any public can access it. And the primary objective for creating the awareness, that is entrusted with the HFCs, because they are in direct contact with the customers. NHB being the at the back of the scheme, acting as a nodal agency for the state and the center. And we always handhold the HFCs if any such help is required. And just in the same sequence, I am today here because I have been called up. The program though has been organized by India Infoline, IIFL Housing Finance Limited. So I am here just to and give them the encouragement, and also to present to the beneficiaries and to know the feedback from the beneficiaries if any such concern is raised by them, that we need to address.
Hi, my name is Praveen Kumar. I am taking care of their hub locations, which are mainly in metro cities. And here we are today to celebrate the success of those customers who get the PMI subsidy from the government. 4.5 करोड़ की हम अभी तक सब्सिडी दे पाए हैं, जिसमें 1,160 कस्टमर को हमने सब्सिडी दी है. All these beneficiaries are here. एंड गुजरात में हमने 450 कस्टमर्स के आसपास की सब्सिडी दी है, जिसमें पीपल विल गेट 2 लाख सब्सिडी फ्रॉम द गवर्नमेंट, जो उनको हर साल 50-50 हज़ार करके मिलेगी इन नेक्स्ट 5 years, so that people will get the benefit to reduce their interest rate, or they will get the best of the best services from IIFL. And we are considering all kind of customers where people are getting cash salary and unstructured income. We are doing all kind of loans for those customers who are not able to get the loan in the market, which are the best customers. We are doing all services where customer can come and take loan from us. Thank you, ma'am.
आज के मतलब कितने लोगों को आपने बुलाया है?
ये हमने कुछ 80 लोगों को बुलाया है, जिनको सब्सिडी हम दे पाए हैं, जो आपके अहमदाबाद से, बड़ोदरा से यहाँ पे आए हैं, और उनको वी आर congratulate them to get subsidy from NHB, and NHB seniors are also there to participate this event and for their success.
Thank you.
Kindly like, subscribe and hit the bell for more such videos.